Domino makes it easy to deploy models into API endpoints, which can then be hosted directly or exported to a number of systems. There's no proprietary lock-in, and monitoring for drift and quality is built in. From the Domino UI, I can create and test APIs without any design experience. All I need to do is pass in one of my registered models, or a script containing a function that calls my trained model. Later on, I can automate this entire process and link to an external pipeline tool for testing and validation. Note that I could also pull the models directly from my experiment if I don't need an API endpoint, since everything I need to run the model externally is included in the outputs. Domino versions my model APIs so that my production route is seamlessly updated, and I can test new versions before deployment directly in the UI or copy and paste a number of different language snippets. And I can control everything about the deployment, such as compute resources, instances, and tokens. These models can also be exported as Docker containers to host externally, or passed directly into services such as Snowflake, NVIDIA FleetCommand, which manages edge devices, or SageMaker.